So this is my friend and his Akko World Tour Tokyo R110 keyless keyboard. And he wants me to make it better in exchange for some blow. Money. Money. So I woke my ass off because I was craving for that exchange gift, and I unscrewed the keyboard just to see that it's already modded with foam and tape. So I screwed the keyboard back and worked with the switches, and to my surprise, fuck, this keyboard is shit. It's not hot swappable. So I used my good old hands to press the stem and lube the sides. I actually used my mother's credit card to make the job easier. As for the stabs, I grab a shit ton of dielectric grease and toss them fuckers inside. And here's a full sound test.